Which fruit is best for skin pores? Citrus fruits like orange contain astringent properties that help in skin tightening and cleaning. They also help to lighten pigmentation, scars and blemishes. Orange juice mask specially helps to remove the blackheads, which are formed when sebum and dead skin cells get mixed, clogging the pores. Tomatoes. Yes, scientifically, tomatoes belong to the fruit family. Tomatoes minimize skin pores and also work as a good detanner. Tomatoes can also help in skin lightening as they are full of cleansing properties. Papaya. Papaya not only contains skin brightening properties but can efficiently heal scars and dark marks on the face. Papain. An enzyme present in papaya helps in improving the skin complexion and eliminates dark spots from the face.